Hi everyone, welcome to our second edition of Asking Maria Questions. Today I have someone with me. It's our pet Gracie. She is a cockapoo, for those that want to know who she is. And we rescued her several years ago, but she's our little baby. And for whatever reason, today she wants to be in my lap. So she wants to be on video today. I think that's what it really is. But first, I want to answer as many questions as I can from our first video that we did. And but besides questions, there were a lot of really positive, so proud of you, Maria, this is great, keep it up. I read all of it. I read everything, and sometimes I'm not too quick to respond, but I read everything that comes, and it truly touches my heart, and I can't say it enough. Thank you for always being there and giving me that support that sometimes I really need. One of the questions that came up, and it does come up quite often, especially for my Instagram, is the plates that I use or the props that I use. Like, where do you get those plates? For those of you that don't know it, I love yard sales. I love yard sales. I love savers. I love estate sales. I am that crazy woman that comes over first thing for a yard sale in the morning to make sure if I can get anything on there to have it as my props so that I can take pictures and use it for Instagram and for Facebook and all of that stuff. As a matter of fact, this week was 4th of July, and my husband and I went down to the Cape because there was an estate sale going on, and we were there, and we picked up, as a matter of fact, it was a cake dish. And it was with holly on it, and it looked really adorable. And the first thing I thought of is, oh my God, that's going to look great with the boule de Natal, which is, your cake that you would make for Christmas time. So you'll be seeing that around Christmas time. But come to find out, the cake dish was made in Portugal. I swear to, it doesn't matter where I go, I always find made in Portugal items, and they somehow make their way into my photos. So, but that's where I get most of the stuff. So for those of you out there that are that love to know those dishes that I like to use, they're called English Transferware. And English Transferware is just that. It's made in England. Usually it's stoneware, not bone. But you can have it in blue, you can have it in pink, you can have it in green. And an estate sale I was in not too long ago, they had it in purple, these purple transferware dishes, but they were asking for a lot of money. And that I can't do. I like to buy inexpensive ones because I'll just buy one, take a picture, and then that'll be it. And then I have a pile of mismatched plates that my husband and I use sometimes. So that's that. But 4th of July, as some of you know that follow me, my husband and I we have 3 daughters, and 2 of those daughters are twins that were born on the 4th of July. So this whole past weekend has been just about celebrating with family, both with my husband's side of the family as well as my side of the family. And it's just been one party after the other. One of the things that I've made to one of the parties was the blueberry lemon pound cake. And I share that today in my Instagram and my Facebook, and it's on my website. So it's a recipe that my family loves, and right now we're in blueberry season. So for those of you that love blueberry and lemon, I highly recommend it. My whole family loves that recipe, and this is the perfect time to make it. Let me see. Besides other major questions, it was again about my book, about when my show will air in certain parts of the U.S. And again, I will post that as soon as I have that information, and I will get that to you as soon as I can. But in the meantime, this is our second video. Keep those questions coming, and I'll answer them here. I don't know if my little sidekick Gracie will be with me next time, but for now and until then, keep them coming, and we'll see you soon. Bye. Beijinhos.